and we are here today with
Trey Moe.
All right, so I understand that somebody is trying to get you into chiropractic a friend of yours, right?
Right.
So he already got you set up. You've never been adjusted before.
No, this is my first time, guys. This is my first time, so I'm a little nervous. Because I watch a lot of videos. Mm-hmm. Not like I'm an expert or nothing. I just watch. I went down the rabbit hole, right? Like you doing right now. You're probably going down the rabbit hole and you watched a lot of videos already, and now you here with her and me.
Right.
So all right.
So tell me a little bit about what you do.
I'm a comedian. I'm an entrepreneur too, but I just say comedian for short because I don't want to explain everything. But
So
mostly comedian.
Mentioned earlier that you have a little bit of back pain. Never really felt it before.
Yeah, I had a little bit of back pain. And it's like comes on and off in splurges.
Okay.
Like on and off. It's not like every day, but it may be like once every 6 weeks or something.
So no sharp shooting pains or anything like that, right?
No, not like super. It's not like super intense.
Tell me about your new pillow story.
All right, so I bought a new pillow and it was like extra hard. Well, not extra hard, but it was firm, very firm.
Okay.
And then I slept on it for a few weeks. And I bought it right when I bought the mattress, so I kind of didn't know like about the Tempur-Pedic. So
About how big would you say that pillow was?
it's like about this thick. It's about this thick.
So we're gonna go over pillows a little bit.
All right.
Like there is no perfect pillow. I get a lot of those questions about, should I get this pillow? Should I get this pillow? The idea, the one thing we want to pay attention to is as long as our spine is in alignment, because it really varies. Are you a stomach sleeper? Are you a side sleeper? Are you a back sleeper?
Okay.
Your positioning is what's most important. And that thick pillow may be okay for someone who's a complete side sleeper, but most people are like a side stomach. I kind of like kick one leg out,
Yeah.
So we'll go over that later on. So This is your first time, what we're going to start out with is I want you to look all the way. No, you're fine.
Okay.
Now, if you want to, you can take it off.
No.
Over here. So I want you to look all the way up to the ceiling.
All right.
Just breathe in.
So what do most of your clients come from?
As far as like my referrals and stuff.
That's what I'm saying. Is it from referrals?
Some of them are from
Or do you
referrals.
run ads?
It's a combination between Instagram and referrals. Really big on referrals. I love adjusting families. So you got one person getting adjusted, or only one person going to the gym, and you don't invite nobody else. Like, what kind of mess is that? All right, I want you to raise from your thigh. I want you to raise this leg up off the table. All right, then the other one. Was one more difficult than the other?
Trying to get on with this. I think that's what this is.
Mm-hmm. All right, lifting. This knee, and you're going to bring up. Come back.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Lower this, straighten this bottom leg. Just like that. All right, so you can't fall even if you wanted to. It's not that far.
Yeah, it's not that. It's not that. If I do, I'm gonna catch myself. Well, I'm not. Go ahead.
So you're going to look that way, and I'm going to pull your back towards me, so you're kind of just going to do
look
a
this
twist.
way.
Mhm.
Thank you.
So you're going to take a deep breath in. Put my hand right here. All right, deep breath in. There we go. That wasn't that bad.
Now, what is it?
No? I felt the intenseness of it. You heard me?
We do the other side?
Mhm. So you want to be as relaxed as possible.
All right.
How long have you been boxing?
Well, I used to box when I was in college, but I stopped.
Okay. Now I saw that.
Yeah.
You call them mitts or mitts? Is that-
Gloves, yeah. What makes this a mix?
Okay. Each sport got a different terminology,
Okay.
so. Okay. All right. This time, deep breath in. One more time. It was a little louder that time.
It was what?
All right, go ahead and lay in your stomach.
Got kids?
One.
What? Boy or girl?
Oh boy.
How old?
Oh, how old?
Yeah, how old?
20 months.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
A little taller.
Say that again?
I said taller. Taller, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And all the characteristics of a toddler. All right, so for this next one, you're gonna lift your head straight back. Okay, and then we're gonna let it fall. All right, drop this shoulder. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna apply a little bit of pressure on my hands. Take a deep breath in. All the way. One more. That's it. Let it go. You okay?
Yeah, I'm great. It wasn't painful.
Go back to center. You'll lay, don't tilt, just lay face down like you were. Relax your shoulders, yeah. Okay, straight back and then over. Headaches?
Nah. If I don't get no sleep, but that's because I ain't getting no sleep. You know what I'm saying?
Let it fall. Let this here fall on my hand.
Okay.
Completely relax. I haven't dropped the head all day, okay? So let it
All
go.
right.
Relax that muscle. Okay? So what I want you to do is to lean back and follow me. Just let it go. Alright, deep breath in. Good stretch. Keep your feet down. Good. Alright, one more time, deep breath in. And out. Look up to the ceiling. You can sit up there.
All right.
You can breathe. Lay on your back.
All right. Just
You don't even know what to do. Like, you just
all right.
See, he gets this. Like, he's a regular.
CJ.
Yep. Relax. Just drop your head, drop your feet. Just relax. A little bit of pull. You're not flat-footed. It's good. People who are flat-footed and have like their knees sometimes hurts them.
Gotcha.
Right, a little bit of pull here, relax that ankle. Let it go. And listen. And work on the knee. There we go. Every time you lift something, I gotta wait for it to relax.
Sorry.
You should have seen this in school.
You said what?
Should have seen this in school.
In school? Oh, in school. We was doing. Is that what you said?
You gotta go through a doctorate program to be able to do this. Okay. Relax. When you work out, do you stretch?
Yeah, but I'm like, I gotta just start going yoga because I'm terrible at that. Like my body's not flexible. It used to be very flexible. Now I went through puberty and I had like a real hardcore puberty.
How old are you?
34. But I went through puberty late, so I grew like 8 inches in a year.
At what, like?
Like I was like 5'1" and like 15. So in like high school I was like 4'11". In high school I was 4'11". And then like one summer I grew like 8 inches.
You did a whole like Michael Jordan thing?
Yeah,
I
I wasn't flexible no more. It's like it took my flexibility. It took my flexibility, but it was like, you know, you want to be 4'11".
And 4'11".
Yeah, no, I'm saying, but as a man, how exactly, you know?
Can't say that.
You can't say that. You got boyfriend, you married?
Wasn't nothing ever.
No.
I think you guys were breath.
I couldn't do it by accident.
Alright.
You done?
We done.
All right, thank you. I appreciate
Watch
you.
you stand up. Look around. Let's see what we got.
All right.
Nothing's gonna fall off. So.
The wrong clothes for it.
Say what?
I said these the wrong clothes for it. I feel good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nothing catching. If there is, I can take it.
No, I feel great. I feel great.
All right.
I feel very good.
All right. Thanks, guys. Until next time.
Wait, let me tell them how I felt. All right, guys, I feel great. It's like I got something that I didn't know I needed. Like I feel much better. You know, you like not feeling like bad, but then when somebody like does something good, you didn't know you
I
needed
feel
it.
like that after yoga. It's like
After yoga?
I really didn't want to do it, but then I did it, and I was like, oh, snap.
Yeah, it's like you needed it. So if you guys get a chance, I would advise everybody to get adjusted. She was great. She was awesome, and she made me feel comfortable all the way through. That's about it. You want to say something to the people?
If you're in the Atlanta area,
Right.
Atlanta Mobile Chiropractor, Custom Care Chiropractic, it's me.
Tell them your name. Don't say me. Who are you?
Dr. Kristina Howell.
Right, because they got to remember that
Yeah.
when they got the video.
Instagram at
Yeah.
ER_Howell. So, all right.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.